Hello and welcome to today's graphic design tip of the day. For today's tip, we're going to learn how to create a very simple spiral in Adobe Illustrator. Instead of drawing a circle and drawing the anchor points to create this entire shape, there's a much easier way. So I'm going to start by grabbing my pen tool and I'm going to draw just a straight line on my page. Remember, if you hold down your shift key, it keeps your line completely straight. And then I'm going to grab the Twirl Tool. It is located right here in my toolbar. And all you need to do is click on the anchor point that you want to create a twirl from, and it'll automatically start making it. So you can see if I click and hold, here is my twirl. Now the end of it might not be exactly perfect. You might need to adjust it, but so much easier than trying to draw that all yourself. I'm going to go back with my delete anchor point to remove these last few points here at the end that aren't working very well. Grab my end anchor point with my direct selection tool and move that in just towards the edge here to finish my shape, and zoom in nice and close to that center piece to fix that ending curve right here to make it smoother, and remove that last curve that's there. I don't need that extra point. And then you have a much easier way to create a curve than drawing all those points. You can go back and make any adjustments you want to, but the options are limitless with what you can do with this. I hope you enjoyed today's graphic design tip of the day.